Hi there, welcome to Brisbane. Landed about, I don't know, hour and a half ago. Left the UK at 10 a.m. Sunday morning, and in the UK it is now 2:30 in the afternoon. Basically, we travelled for about 27 hours. Got the flight to Dubai, which took 7 hours, then we had sort of 2.5 hour layover, and then a 13.5 hour flight to Brisbane. Which actually arrived early, but yeah, 27 hours to the airport, about 27.5 hours door to door. And I find myself in a hotel on the 21st floor. So I don't know if you can make out the street below, but I'm 21 floors up. I'm just gonna put the lights on. So yeah, got a nice, I've actually got a suite, so I've got a bedroom, a kitchen, bathroom through there. It's all very nice for a week. And in terms of my Dxing setup, it's the same as before. So got my laptop running SDR Uno. One big difference, I've got the SDR plate RSPdx, of course, this time. I've got the GI1000 galvanic isolator, and I've got all this connected to the Bonito MegaLoopFX with the actual loop hanging out of the window, 21 stories up, and best make sure that I don't let it fall out the window. So there you go. So and now what's interesting actually is that I've got the PL-880 with me. I think I've already explained that I was taking that radio. If you look at the noise floor with the GI1000, it's down at minus 120 dBs, which is superb for, I mean, that's good anyway, but for a hotel, having a noise floor down there is really, really good. And if you can see, 2850 kilohertz, that's Pyongyang, and actually there's audio. It's weak, but so overall I'm pretty happy with my temporary QTH here in Australia. I don't think I'm going to get a chance to do anything really clever, like get out and do some outdoor DXing. It's just going to be too busy, but certainly it bodes well for being able to capture some interesting stuff as, just so I get some audio, bit of audio from Pyongyang. Yeah, it looks like my listening isn't going to be completely obliterated with noise, which is really good news. So I'm going to certainly get an opportunity, hopefully, to hear some interesting stuff. I've already copied a weak signal from the Voice of Indonesia, just having a very quick sort of play around with stuff. So so there you go. That's my setup here in Australia for the next few days. Here's to not bumping into any redback spiders or anything equally as poisonous in the meantime. But hopefully some videos to come. I've got a really good video of coming into land at Dubai. I couldn't get a video coming into land in here in Brisbane. It was dark anyway. Well, it was dark in Dubai, but and I didn't have a window seat. But nevertheless, I'll post a video of Dubai. You can kind of see the palm, you know, this kind of thing that they built to increase the land area. It just looks like a palm tree from sort of satellite images. I think they just dredged the whole thing. I'm sure you've seen it anyway, but sort of could see that in the background. In the distance, they've also done something similar. They've sort of created a map of the world in islands, and you can actually see that a bit more clearly on my video. So coming into Dubai, but anyway, I'm in Australia now, and as I said, it looks quite promising, at least in terms of the noise in my hotel room. So there you go. All right, well, more to come, I'm sure. Thanks for watching.